Suggestion? None? Picture this. Pristine beaches with crystal clear waters, ancient castles perched on hilltops, and vibrant cities brimming with culture. Welcome to Albania. Nestled between Greece and Montenegro, Albania offers a unique blend of history and natural beauty. From the stunning Albanian Riviera to the breathtaking peaks of the accursed mountains, this country has it all. Imagine strolling through the charming streets of Berat, also known as the City of a Thousand Windows, or exploring the ancient ruins of Butrint, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And let's not forget the warm hospitality of the Albanian people. With delicious cuisine, rich traditions, and a vibrant atmosphere, you'll feel at home in no time. So why stick to the usual tourist spots? Discover the unexplored beauty of Albania and create memories that will last a lifetime. Pack your bags, adventure awaits. Welcome to Albania,